Guys, I'm Aditi from Sales Handy and welcome to a tutorial on how to seamlessly integrate Slack with Sales Handy using webhooks. Imagine this, you're a sales rep managing multiple sequences through Sales Handy. You send out hundreds of emails daily, aiming to engage potential leads and convert them into loyal customers. Meanwhile, your team communicates and collaborates using Slack, which is a popular platform known for its efficiency. By integrating Sales Honey with Slack using webhooks, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that important updates are instantly communicated to your team. So let's see how it works. So before we move ahead, you would need three things: a channel in Slack, an account in Zapier, and a Sales Honey account. So first thing that you have to do is go inside Zapier and create a Zap. So as you can see, I'm inside Zapier account and I'm creating a Zap here. So I'm gonna choose the trigger here, which is Webhooks by Zapier. Once I'm done that, I'm going to choose event here. So you can see that in choose event there's an option catch a hook. So hook is basically the trigger which will be inside Sales Handy. So a trigger could be something like email sent. So whenever an email is sent, you will get a corresponding action in the action app. So I'll choose a catch a hook and then I will continue, and you can skip this step here, continue, and then you will get this URL here. So you just have to copy this URL, go to Sales Honey in the webhooks, and just paste this in your webhook. So I'll just copy it, and then I'll go to Sales Honey. So I'm inside Sales Honey now. I'll go to Settings, Webhook, and I will add a webhook here. So you can just name your webhook anything, paste the URL, and choose the event that has to be sent. So for now, I'm going to just choose when an email is sent and save it. Once this is done, I will go back to my Zap. As you can see, I'm back here, and I'll just go and test the trigger here. Testing this trigger is important to see that whatever data you have inside Sales Handy, it is rightly triggering or populating inside your hook. So you can see that data that have so the data that I have inside Sales Handy, that is, I have this prospect, I have their email there. So you can see the data is actually populating correctly, and then I will go and continue with the select record, and then I will go and choose the action. Now you have to choose an event in Slack also. So what I want is I want to send a channel message, so that whenever an email is sent, a message will be sent on my channel, and that channel is something that I have all my team members in, so they will be notified that to a particular prospect an email has been sent, right? So I have chosen my event here, then I will continue, and I've already connected my my Slack account here, and I will continue. So now you have to just map the data here. So this is the channel that I have inside Slack webhooks, and then you have to go and choose the message text, which is the message that you will receive in your Slack channel. So I want is name of the prospect, and then I want the email of the prospect, and then I also want a message. Since it is about email sent, I also want it to be about the email sent. So I'll just go and choose email sent. You can add the time also here when it is sent, right? So once it is done, you can scroll down and fill whatever information that you want, or you can set up the settings according to your requirement. So once you have done with that, you can just go and click on continue, and you can see the data is there and it is populating here, right? The data that I want. So now I will go and test the step. The data is reflecting, and I will just go and publish this app. So if you want to test the webhook once you have published it, you can go inside Sales Handy, and I'm inside Sales Handy. Whatever the webhook you created, just go inside it and just test it. You have an option to test it by clicking on this button. Once that is done, you have to go inside your Slack channel, and you can see that I have this message here. So you can set the settings in the format that you want your message to be sent in. This is just a tutorial. So Piyush, the name is here, right? And the email is here, and the email sent notification is also here. So this is how you can connect Slack with Sales Honey and keep your all data updated and all your team members updated for any prospects. So go ahead and try it now and let me know what other videos you want with webhooks and what other apps you want to connect with Sales Honey using webhooks, and I'll create a video tutorial for you. Thanks for watching and see you later.